Hello, kids. I am Mr. W. Let's answer some fun questions. Look carefully and choose the right answer.
Welcome to Junior Journeys Kids channel.
Which one is bigger? Elephant, cat, rat. The answer is elephant. Which one is faster? Car, motorcycle, bicycle. The answer is car. Which one is fruit? Carrot, apple, garlic. The answer is apple. Which one can fly? Cow, bird, fish. The answer is bird. Which one is smaller? Elephant, cat, rat. The answer is rat. Which one is vehicle? Chair, shoes, bus. The answer is bus. Which one is animal? Football, toy, lion. The answer is lion. Which one is round? Football, mobile, clock. The answer is football. Which one is tall? Dog, giraffe, zebra. The answer is giraffe. Which one lives in water? Cat, fish, football. The answer is fish. Great job, kids. You answered all the questions. Subscribe for more fun learning.